At NovaGenix, our experienced medical team can help men with low T. Many patients reach out to us for help with low testosterone, where our doctor can provide multiple options customized for each individual patient. Our all-inclusive customized treatment plans from our physician can help improve the way you look, live, and feel by optimizing your hormones. At NovaGenix, we offer TRT programs, weight loss, HRT for women, ED treatments, regenerative medicine, and more. Our all-inclusive customized healthcare programs are effective, affordable, and convenient, as we offer telehealth appointments which allow you to speak with our doctor right from the comfort of your own home, and for patients who qualify, they can have medication shipped directly to your door. With over 20 years' experience, the NovaGenix medical team has helped patients in the West Palm Beach area improve their overall health and wellness by providing expert treatment plans customized to each individual. Visit us online to learn more about how easy it is to get started. Call us at 561-277-8260 and visit us online at www.novagenix.org.